do I add my own music or sound to the TikTok library if I don't have DistroKid? I only have CD Baby. If you have that question, well, you have come to the right place. Welcome to my channel, Gracefully. If you would, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and let's get started. If you are anything like me, you have been searching and searching, trying to find out how to get your music in the TikTok library, and you have come up short. There have been so many different videos about how easy it is to get it in the TikTok library if you have a DistroKid. Well, we don't have DistroKid, do we? We have CD Baby. So we can't just go into our account and press a little button and boom, we're on TikTok. We have to do another method. First and foremost, you want to make sure on CD Baby that your song's distribution includes downloads and streaming. That is very important in order for your song to be in the TikTok library. If your distribution level does not include downloads and streaming, don't fret. All you have to do is submit a request on CD Baby and they will change that for you. The great news is that TikTok and CD Baby have partnered, and they have actually started transferring some of their music to the TikTok library, but they are doing it according to the newer releases first and then the older releases later. So what about us who maybe have a song that came out in, let's say, 2014? Here's a little bit of my backstory. I created a song called The Jesus Slide in 2014, and it did pretty well then. But as I use TikTok, a lot of people have been doing the Jesus Slide dance challenges, but I haven't had a way to have my song in the library because my song came out in 2014. So I was like, well, what can I do? Because I don't want to wait so long to where the song loses its buzz. When you find out what this solution is, you're going to be like, Grace, really? Is this really all I had to do? Really? Really? So this is what I did. I picked up my cell phone and I contacted CD Baby. Now, it's a busy season right now, so I had to wait about 20 minutes before I got with an agent. However, I told them that on TikTok, my song right now is very popular, but I cannot put it in the library. And I heard that the newer releases are being released first, and my song is from 2014. And do you know what he told me? He told me that because I called and because I asked, he was able to put it in a queue that it would be faster for me to get it in the song library. He told me that it may take between 1 week to 4 weeks. Let me tell you, I called him in the morning. By that night, my song was in the TikTok library, and it still is in the TikTok library. If you pull up the Jesus Slide, it is there. So all you have to do, everybody, is call CD Baby. Now, for you CD Baby employees that may be out there, I am not trying to have your phone lines swamped with everybody calling you, but I do want to say that when I found out that DistroKid was allowing people to put their music on TikTok, I was thinking, in the future, I'm going to use DistroKid. I'm not using CD Baby anymore. I'm done. But after this experience, I go so hard for CD Baby. I love it. I will continue to use it. No, I am not sponsored by CD Baby in any way, shape, or form yet. Now, if you want to sponsor me, holla at your girl. But that is how you can get your song in the TikTok library if you have CD Baby. Just pick up the phone, call them, and let them know that you need it in there as soon as possible, and they will work it out for you. So like I said, don't expect it to be one day like me. It's possible. He told me between 1 week and 4 weeks, and it came out the same day. So anyway, with that said, call them. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And remember, there is no such thing as a box. Let's go get it.